That you are not living your own life? You wake up in the morning, hesitate over what to wear, defer to your boss's mood at work, and check social media at night to see what everyone else is doing. We are currently chained by the invisible shackles of other people's evaluations. 400 years ago, Miyamoto Musashi fought 60 duels without defeat, never once following a trend. He left behind the 21 articles of the Dokkodo, the path of self-reliance, just 1 week before his death. The very first article is the key to solving this problem. Dokkodo, Article 1. Never deviate from the universal way yo-yo no michi. This does not mean follow the current popular trend. On the contrary, it means be true to yourself and never be swayed by passing trends. It preaches ultimate self-reliance. Today, we will explain how this teaching solves the modern problem of being led astray by others, tracing the trajectory of Musashi's philosophy, and providing practical exercises. You can start today. Musashi's trajectory, destroying the world's way. From his first duel at age 13 to the duel at Ganryu-jima at 29, Musashi learned everything through 60-plus real-life duels. He had neither a master nor a fixed school of swordsmanship. This was because existing schools were bound by the common sense of the era, the kata form. For Musashi, the only thing that mattered was the result, to live and to win. To achieve this, he destroyed all the accepted norms of the swordsmanship world, being late, using 2 swords, fighting with a wooden sword. Everything was unconventional. In the Edo period, as the age of the warrior was ending, many samurai adapted to peace and formalized Bushido, the way of the warrior. But Musashi was different. He purely and intensely pursued the fundamental samurai values of not fearing death and being perpetually self-reliant. He incorporated the no-mind Mushin state of Zen into the ultimate secret of his strategy. Zen's emptiness mu is the state where other people's evaluations and societal common sense are all abandoned. In the split second that determines life or death, distraction means defeat. Through Zen practice, Musashi attained ultimate focus. This state, not being bound by societal convention, was what he meant by following the universal way, yo-yo no michi. Now wait a minute. Do you think this is just a story about a samurai from long ago? Waking up, checking your phone to see what everyone else is doing. Deferring to your boss's mood at work. Worrying about likes on social media. The worries of Musashi's time and our time are fundamentally the same. So what exactly is the universal way in never deviate from the universal way? It means turning your back on the fleeting standards of trends and common sense, and instead following the timeless universal truths, the essence of human nature and the voice within you. What modern people follow is the world's way, the popular fashion, the trendy career, the life everyone else is living. On the other hand, the universal way Musashi taught involves being sincere, staying true to your path, and taking responsibility for your results. These truths remain unchanged for 400 years. People who follow the world's way are perpetually anxious because trends always end. 10 years ago, the dominant SNS was Facebook. Now it's TikTok. What will it be in 10 years? However, people who follow the universal way never waver, because the truth is eternal and your life belongs to no one but you. This principle is proven even today. Research at Stanford University shows that people who do not depend on external validation have 47% lower stress levels and 3 times higher life satisfaction. Steve Jobs practiced Zen meditation daily and ignored common sense to create the iPhone. Elon Musk says other people's opinions are noise and pursues the dream of moving to Mars, a dream no one believed in. Many of the people who are creating the current norms, or are seeking to create new ones, are those who have destroyed the norms within themselves. Thus, the wisdom of Musashi from 400 years ago is being practiced by today's most cutting-edge successful individuals. Now I will share practical methods for incorporating this teaching into your life today. Work 1. The inner compass. 3 questions. Before making any important decision, ask yourself these 3 questions. 1. Will this still be correct 10 years from now? 2. Is this my genuine desire or is it someone else's expectation? 3. Can I take full responsibility for the result without blaming anyone? If the answer to all 3 questions is yes, that is the universal way. Go forward no matter what the world says. Work 2. The 24-hour trend fast. For just one day, shut off all trend information. No social media feeds, no breaking news, no coworker gossip. Then ask yourself, what is the one thing I genuinely want to do today? With no external information, you can hear your inner voice. That is the first step toward the universal way. The Dokkodo was completed as a samurai's survival philosophy, but its spirit of following the universal truth is the most reliable guide for modern people, swayed by trends and feeling that they are not living their own lives. Musashi's teaching is demanding, but that very demand is what will give your life an unshakable axis. The 21 articles of the Dokkodo hold the answers tailored to your worries. If you are lonely, seek Article 9. If you feel anxious, Article 6. If you are full of regret, Article 18. If you are too dependent on others, Article 3. Every video has a practical exercise you can start today. Find the article that will change your life right now. Thank you for watching until the end today. We will see you in the next video.